So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You just want to see what it's called. So mine's called Intel R Pro. So you just want to find out what the name of your network adapter is. Now once you have the name, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find that same network adapter. So I have Intel R Pro right here for both of them. So now you want to right click on your network adapter and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset space catalog and click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space int space ip space reset.log and click on enter. It's going to ask you to restore your computer, but don't do it yet to complete the next steps in the video. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand private networks. Make sure you have network discovery turned on. And then you're going to tick set up network connected devices automatically. And if you came to this video because you're having file and printer sharing problems, then you want to turn this on. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. Wait for this to load. Click on this. And if it detects any problems, it's going to try to fix it for you. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to automatically turn off your computer in 5 minutes. It's going to restart it. Or you could just restart it yourself by clicking on the Windows Vista icon, the power button, and then click on restart. And then all your problems should be fixed now.